Robert from Harvest, Alabama has a question about a log cabin.
An 83-year-old log cabin.
Cool.
Yeah. And Robert writes, the interior walls were constructed, listen to this, by suspending 1-inch thick yellowish tan Celotex fiberboard between the vertical logs from the floor to the ceiling. And it's in its original raw, unpainted state, he says. Only faded and water stain. Looks extremely unsightly, he says. I cannot locate any of this material to patch or replace it, and all I know is it says Celotex on it. He wants your advice, Tom. What can he do with this?
I'm not really sure. Celotex is a company that's been around a long time. They had a lot of products out there. I would definitely call them and see if they still make this particular product to keep it easy for you. But if not, you're going to have to, I guess, get an alternative product, and I'm not sure exactly how is all for.
What would you put up there?
I don't know because I don't know how it's attached. I would have loved to have a picture on this one.
Yeah.
And it could be glued to the log cabin wood. It could be nailed to the wood.
I hope not.
I don't know. Because log cabins usually are horizontal logs stacked on top of one another.
Yes, that's correct.
And if he's looking at this on the inside, somebody used it probably to try to insulate because it was very cold. 83-year-old home is not an energy efficient home.
Not at all.
So they could have just used panel adhesive and just stuck it to the wall for all I know. Can't be very pretty. I know that because Celotex is not a finished product.
Well, Robert, tell you what, why don't you send us some pictures?
I think it'd be easier.
Give us a little more detail on this. We'll help you out. And remember, you can do that when you send us your questions. There's a little button there. You can attach a picture and send it to us. And yeah, you can only attach one at a time. So if you want to send multiple pictures, you're going to have to send multiple questions. But we would love to see a picture of this so we can answer your question a little more accurately, and that helps us do a better job for you when you visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in. We'll be happy to help you out. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.